Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video tutorial for you today that will show you how to make a YouTube logo with Canva. Now, as long as the YouTube logo that you're making is square, so that it's got a 1:1 ratio, and that it's, I believe, over 500 pixels by 500 pixels in size, which all the templates for logos on Canva would be, then it would qualify as a YouTube logo. I mean, you can search for YouTube logo specifically if you want, but as you can see, they are just standard logos which are square, that follow that format. So searching for just a generic logo would work as well. Okay, and as you can see, when you do that, you get access then to a library of over 60,000 templates of logos. So the idea is then that you'd browse the categories or the suggestions at the top and use these filters on the left hand side to narrow down your search. So maybe if you're in a particular niche for YouTube or whatever it is, gaming or documentary or whatever it is, vlogging, whatever you do on there, you could use the text search to find logos to do with that particular niche or in that particular style. And then once you've found a logo which closest resembles the thing that you're looking for, or that you really like or whatever, you can just give that a single left click and then hit customize this template right there. Okay, so that will then open the Canva editor, and it is very, very simple to use, very intuitive. It's just like a mobile app, really. I mean, Canva works as a mobile app as well. As you can see, when you select an object, these tools that appear at the top there change, and you've got the sort of bog standard stuff that you would associate with whatever object that you've got selected. Colors is the primary one. Text, if you double click, you can just type whatever you want then in as a replacement. And then images, you can see that normally you could edit the sort of primary colors of that image as well. So you can make some sort of quite significant changes quite quickly in Canva, really. You've also then got access to a library of elements, which is basically graphics that you can sort of browse and drag into your image if you wanted to sort of add any other elements. And if you want to get rid of something, you can just hit that trash icon there. You've got uploads with the ability to upload an image from your local drive, and the ability to add custom text as well. And that's pretty much it, really. You can sort of browse those templates, find something which closest resembles what you're looking for, and then modify it. And then once you're happy with what you've got, you can just hit that little share button in the top right hand corner and then hit download right there. And then that'll give you the ability then to bring this file down as a digital image file, or a PDF if you've got that need for whatever reason. But for YouTube, you'd want it as a PNG or a JPEG. And then that'll give you it in at least 500 by 500 pixels, which qualifies as a YouTube logo. Hit download, and then when you're on a YouTube page, you can just upload it straight away. That concludes the tutorial. So like I said, there's a link in the description down below for Canva, so give that a click and that'll take you straight there. If you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of that nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any suggestions for future videos or anything you'd like to know, leave them as comments down below. Thank you very much.